Hi friends, let me show you this new MUBVIEW light bulb security camera that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really easy to use camera that you will connect in any light bulb socket. You get these installation and configuration instructions. You get the actual unit and you get a really practical accessory. So if you don't have a light bulb exactly where you want the camera to be installed, or you don't have an available light bulb, you can connect this to any electrical outlet and have your camera working. This camera has great features. It has a 2K camera. It has a 360 degrees operation, and you can insert a micro SD card here in this port, so you can have a recording of your videos, okay? It can connect to a 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so it's really convenient. And you have a speaker, so you can speak from your phone through your app, and of course a microphone, so you are able to hear what's happening where the camera is installed, okay? So let's download the app, install it, configure it, and test it. Thank you.
You see the camera is installed, and we are going to move around to look. Okay. So I can